Gentlemen, I believe we only live twice. The first life, we most probably create it from our childhood experiences with our limiting beliefs and by listening to society and family telling us their views on happiness and success. The second life starts when you realize that you can and have the right to define success and fulfillment for you. Therefore, I've created and I'm inviting you to my workshop where we will analyze where you are today in your life and where you are heading. We will also talk about what could have stopped you in the past and what is your burden right now to reach your goals, to finally create a life what you truly deserve. What you have to bring is your smile, your open-mindedness, a pen and a paper, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and to create something extraordinary for you, a life based on your own terms. See you. Bye-bye.